Now this is not a hair video. I did not see hair on the thumbnail, so this is not about hair. Anyway, so we have some carpenter around our house and they just have to announce themselves. I was going to record a video on my bed, and while setting up the camera and everything, I noticed that there was a bald spot on my wall area. Now, of course, I was not just noticing it, but you know how things look different when you're looking at it through a camera compared to when your eyes are already used to something. Like, I was already so used to seeing this bald spot. I'm going to put a picture of the bald spots I keep repeating on the screen. But anyway, it looked somehow shy, so I said that I was going to cover it. Now, this is the first crafty thing I am doing, but more is going to be coming because I've been gathering pieces and stuff of different things. I don't know why I'm doing like this when my nails are not fixed. I got some pieces of this furniture magazine. It has prices and stuff on it. School newsletter. I think I'm going to be tearing some pages from it. I have this too. I've already cut some circles from here, and I have this sticky non-stick notes, I guess. I have a marker, Tipex. I'm not sure what I'm going to use it for. But if you've not realized already, the point is that I am not sure how this video is going to go. I do not have an idea of what I want to do in mind. I just want to play around with these things and hope that we finish up with something beautiful, something pretty, something aesthetic. So this was the first thing I caught from it, and I like how it turned out. Like a pottery kind of thing. It's probably just me that's saying it, but anyway. So I'm going to be cutting different shapes from it. As I said, we have nothing in mind. I don't know why. I feel like really emphasizing on I'm not working with anything so that in case the thing is shitty at the end. But I don't think it's going to be shitty really. I think it's going to be something beautiful. So I'm just going to cut out these pieces. When I finish cutting out the pieces, I am going to take it to the wall, and then we are going to start some gluing. Hey, in my bed. There's a meeting in my bed. In my bed. There's a meeting in my bed. In my bed. There's a meeting in my bed. In my bed. I touch your feet. I make that thing go wild. I gon' make that thing I want. I gon' make you sing my song. There's a meeting in my bed. Arambe Timo Verda Karaye Makwa Garada Ombe Arambe and these don't stick, so I was thinking that how can I make them stick? Then I figured I would use my gum, put my gum lightly on this thing we have here. So I'll just put my glue on it, and the reason I'm doing that is so that the glitters will stay when I sprinkle it on them. So now we have a lot of pieces, right? So I'm going to go to the wall and see what we can do with them. Get up, woman. Stop sleeping. Arambe Timo Verda Karaye Makwa